Hi there, students. To pop up, or probably a pop-up. You're probably all thinking about a pop-up advertisement. Yeah, this is on your computer screen, something that suddenly appears. A pop-up told me that I had a problem with my computer security. Yeah, a pop-up window on a computer screen, it suddenly appears. Okay, so to pop up, if something pops up, it appears unexpectedly, like the phrasal verb to crop up. In life, you solve one problem and the next problem pops up immediately. Yeah? What I find when I learn a new word in a foreign language, it then tends to pop up several times over the weeks after I've learnt it. Okay, so to pop up, to suddenly appear. Maybe you have a Christmas card and you open it and a Christmas tree pops up. It becomes 3D. It has a component that pops up, or a pop-up book for children where you turn the pages and different things appear. Kids love them, and then they take them and pull the pop-up bit out if you're not careful. So pop-up, something that appears rapidly, a pop-up store, a pop-up retail, a pop-up market. Yeah, it's set up quickly for a short-term operation, for something very quick. Yeah, that's just going to be there for a short time. Yeah, food vans pop up. Yeah, they suddenly appear. To pop up out of nowhere is to make a sudden appearance. Okay, so to pop up, something that opens quickly in a temporary location. Yeah, a pop-up shop that lasts as long as a fad is lasting. I guess in baseball as well, the batter hit the ball and the ball popped up into the air. It went high up into the air. Yeah, a pop-up window on your computer, an unrequested browser window, very often just for advertising. Okay, so also to pop up, to move quickly from a flat position to a vertical one. Yeah, and that's your pop-up Christmas tree. To appear very suddenly, to happen unexpectedly. His face seems to pop up in all sorts of places. Yeah, I hope that we don't have any new problems that pop up. Yeah, I hope that everything goes very nicely and very easily. I guess you could have a pop-up menu on your computer, yeah, showing the different options. Select the option you want from the pop-up menu. Okay, so, but normally to pop up, to appear suddenly without you expecting it. Yeah, it's something that is very temporary. Yeah. So it's something that is, well, maybe here today and gone tomorrow, but it's very short-lived. It appears suddenly and unexpectedly from some place that you don't really know from where. Okay, so to pop up, I hope no more problems are going to pop up today. Yeah, he's constantly popping up, this guy, when you least expect him. Okay, so appears suddenly, unexpectedly. Let's see, formality, to pop up. This is fairly informal. I think I'd give this 3.5 in formality. Use informally, use in a semi-formal conversation. I wouldn't use it in a semi-formal writing. You could use it in an informal writing. Yeah, and this word pop just means sudden. Yeah, spontaneous, unexpected. Pop. Yeah, it's got this idea of a noise. Yeah, it's got this suddenly appears from nowhere. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Pop up.